Creating views is what we are going to do in this tutorial. So open up your Revit, go to open. Scroll down to you can find number 10, views, and click open. It'll do the upgrade as per normal. Once it's opened, in the project browser, floor plans, double click store floor, and we're then going to go to the view tab, create panel and section. Excuse me. That was the area we had with the balustrade last time, so just go OK. And OK. May or may not have some issues when we've upgraded, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so we've got our store floor opened automatically for us, so that's great. Once that's open, click on the view tab up the top. So scroll across through your tabs, find the view tab. In the view tab, we are going to, in the create panel, so here's our create panel, we want a section. And we're going to click outside the south wall of the building near grid 1. So south is down the bottom, goes north, east, south, west. So south is down the bottom, just outside section, or is it 1? So down here somewhere. And move the cursor up until it's outside the building on the north side. And click to place a selection line approximately through the middle of the stairs. So there's our stairs there. You may want to zoom in a little bit if you need to, up to you. But essentially you're going to sort of line that up and there, cut through the middle of the stairs up to the top in the north. Go like that, and you should see the lines looking like that, which is what we want. On the flip control, so you can flip it to, so it includes a storeroom of 103. So we can go down here, we've got a flip control there, we can flip it that way, so you can see it goes in or out, we can flip that around. It's disappeared on me now, there we go, come on, there we go. So you can flip it backwards and forwards. So flip it around so it cuts through the storeroom. Flip the selection so it includes storeroom. We've done that. Click on the cycle control. So if we click on the cycle control, which is down the bottom here, you can see that it's gone to the top. Twice to cycle through the selection tail options and display the section head at the top and the bottom. So if we click it again, we can go through that and we can have it so it's both top and bottom. So if you do that, we want section head there, and there. So now we've got the section heads top and bottom, which is what we're after. Once we've done all that, press escape and double click the selection head to open. Double click a selection head to open the section view. So if we double click one of these, so this works, it should open up a section view for us. There it is there. So essentially it's like you are standing side on, a little bit like an elevation view, but it's cutting through the building. This is what it's showing you through the walls. It's like an X-ray view sort of thing. On the view control bar, click the view control bar. We want to click on the crop tool or hide region. So down the bottom here, this one down here, hide crop region. So you click on that. And you can see that it just hides those things around there. That is that. Now we've been able to create a section view, and then you'll notice that over here in our project browser, there is now a section called sections. Funny with that. And underneath that is section 1, which is what we have just created. Okay, so we're going to do some call outs now. That's the next part of this. So click on the view tab. We're there again. We've got the call out button, which is next to the section 1. So click on that. In the type selector over here, we want to make sure that says wall, click wall selection. So we're going to go to building and wall. So we're going to select wall selection. Draw a call out around the entire north, left, and this. So the north wall is the left wall in this selection. Building from the foundation to the roof, and clicking on the lower left hand corner to define the rock-art box. Select the callout and drag the head to the upper left of the callout. So essentially what we're trying to do is we're trying to do a callout that looks like this. Okay, so we want to select around that box. Whoops. So it's a 2-click process. And then we're trying to grab this thing here. And we want to drag that if I can. Oop. Why not let me do that? There we go. Try and grab one of these. No, not that one. That one. And bring that up so it's up into the new position up here. So that's what we're after. Okay, we can press escape to get out of that. And job is done. Okay, on the view control part, click on the arrow again. Oops, not that one. That one there. Okay. On the view control bar, change the detail level to medium. So down here, you should have a detail level. Set coarse, change it to medium. And you can see that we've got a few more elements in there. We're going to do another call out again. Turn the type, so I go up to the create panel, click on call out. And then in the type selector, we're going to do a detail view. So if you click on this, we should be able to go to detail. Draw a call out around the wall parapet. So over here, this time we're going around here. And we want to do one around sort of there. Which side? Oh, they've got it on the other side, I think. So hang on, let's just escape out of that. And I think what we're meant to have done is click on that and then gone to that. No. Not quite sure why that hasn't hidden. Let's try doing that call out over this corner. So we've got detail view. They have done it over here. Oh no, they have to have done it this side because they've got it over there. Okay, let's do it this way. It's going to go something like this. You can obviously then modify your box by grabbing the little handles, shifting that around. So we're going to do a little detail view like that. Don't forget you can grab the little circle and drag that up there like that. Okay, so now we've got all of our little detail views and things like that. It says double click the call out head to open the detail view. Okay, so if we double click this, it should open up our detail view. And now when we're in here, if we go like this, it'll hide that. That's the one I missed in the previous thing. So let's go back into our section. Double click the head on this one. It'll highlight a view of that. So we've got our section. Once we're in there, click on the hide crop region and it'll get rid of that border there. So you can see that that's cleaned up our view there. Our detail view is nice and clean there. And then we've got our section view that's hidden from there as well. So excellent, we've done all that. Okay, so we've now done a section view. And section views can be drawn in anywhere in north-south, so vertically, or could be going east to west horizontally across your build. And it shows a cross section through your building. Likewise, you saw the consistent. If I do the colours, you can then see the different elements within our space. So we've got the roof there and the different elements that are making up the wall, the soil, the floor, etc. So you can see all those things there, doorway, so on and so forth. We also looked at callouts as well, and how we can do those to create a detailed view of walls and other elements. That's it for the creating views category. We have now ticked off that one, and we're going to move on to adding dimensions in the next video.